Hello, everybody. This is Carl Stratton and
Lori Hendrix with Dennis Property Management.
Yes, and today we have right behind us a perfect example of how not to patch your nail holes.
Right. When you move out, please do not use spackle and place a large patch over a small, tiny nail hole.
Yes. So this is something that can actually cause a security claim. Especially if you paint over the top of it. This is an example right here of the wrong way to do it. You had someone obviously hung their TV here, and they marked on the wall too. But there's a couple of holes here. But instead, what they've done is they've gone and put the spackle on the hole and went over all of the texture. And now when this gets painted, there's a big blank spot. So to be done right, you would have to go and retexture this wall. So now you take a little thing and just turn it into a big issue. Now we have, in this same house, there's a great example of someone who did it right. They took the spackle, you can see right here, this little tiny hole, you can hardly see it. If we had a little bit of touch-up paint, we just would put the touch-up paint right over this. That's actually caulk. Sometimes people put toothpaste in there, but it should be actual spackle. Just fill the hole. That's all you need to do. Is from that, which is actually hard to even find on the wall, to this horror show of a very amateur spackle job can make the difference from having a security claim for your, for trying to patch the holes. We would really rather you not patch anything if you're going to do it like that. So in extreme cases, especially after you spackle and paint over the top of it, we have to come back in and texture the whole wall. We may have to paint the whole wall and charge the tenant for that. So from a zero security claim could go to hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, depending on how much basic damage a tenant does to a house on the way out. So again, this is Carl Stratton
and Lori Hendrix
with Dennis Property Management. Have a great day, and if you have any questions about property management or spackling and doing nail holes, give us a call at Dennis Property Management at, what's the phone number?
813-949-7444.
All right, happy renting.